Hello, welcome guys. So we are gonna take a look at this 2019 Maserati Ghibli. By starting off the front with the massive grille, you can see two, there are 10 vertical slots finished in chrome along with the Maserati Trident badge right in the center. Just above that, there are forward-facing camera. This has LED headlight and a LED daytime running light. There are four forward-facing sensors in the bumper along with two in the lower section of the bumper. Under the hood, there is 3-liter twin turbocharged V6 engine. This is only paired to 2F 8-speed automatic transmission with column mounted paddle shifter. This engine produces 424 horsepower at 500 and 200 rpm and 428 pound-feet of torque. Its all-wheel drive weighs around 40,100 pounds and does 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds. It had top speed of 178 miles per hour and fuel capacity of 21.1 gallons. Looking at the side, the wheel's base measure 118 inches. It has overall length of 195.7. The width is 76.6 and height of 507.5 inches. Looking at its wheel, it features it features 20 by 8 and half inch wheels up front and 20 by 10 and half inch in the rear. They have nice 7 double spoke design to them, along with the two-tone finish with 4-wheel disc brake and adaptive suspension. There is functional air vent just behind the front tire. As we make our way to the power folding side mirror, they have integrated turn signal along with a camera underneath each one of them. There's more chrome trim around the window. It's one on the door handle along with the Maserati Trident logo on the C pillar, and then up on top this has sunroof. And finishing up in the rear with a small trunk lip spoiler. This has LED tail light, a backup camera with 4 parking sensor. It does have power trunk. There's rear facing fog light, and down below there's quad tip dual exhaust. So that is going to finish up the exterior walk around. The door panel is finished off in very nice black leather. It has combination of red stitching which you can see on the top, and the armrest along with the silver stitching on the back side. There's a wood trim and brushed aluminum trim pieces running on the top. It's on the release handle. You have your memory seat adjustment just in the front of that. This does have 10 speaker Harman Kardon sound system. You have little bit of storage space behind that, and then up top all the windows are automatic up and down. You also have your own power slide mirror adjustment as well. Moving inside now, we'll take a look at the black leather seat. You can see more red stitching along with the red Maserati logo. It also runs through the center portion of the seat as well as good holstering support to them. There are heated and ventilated, and also feature 12-way power adjustable with a lumbar support. Once inside, we are greeted with a fully wrapped black leather steering wheel. It has really good notches on each side for good grip with the black stitches. It has nice wood trim surrounding it, given a really nice touch. On the right side. You have also have Bluetooth and voice command control along with a scrolling dial for the center gauge setup. On the left side, you have your cruise and adaptive cruise along with highway assist button, and then again this has the column mounted paddle shifter finished in brushed aluminum. To the left of the steering wheel, we have all the headlight control along with some dimmer switches for the gauge setup. At the very bottom is a nice little cubby storage pocket and have that engine start stop button. Just above all those buttons, there's one more air vent. The entire dash is covered in the leather along with more of the red stitching. There's one speaker up on top along with a digital clock, and below that is 8.4-inch screen. You can turn your screen off. You can have engine start stop feature along with a rear sunshade with automatically high beam assist with surrounding view camera. With top down view, this is standard rear view angle. You have a rear wide view angle. We can go to the front camera that also has wide angle and the standard front camera with top down view. Right in the middle is Maserati logo. If we just click on that, you can control your ventilated and heated seat for both driver and passenger. To each side of the screen we have air vents with more of the brushed aluminum, gives it a really nice look. And then down below we have physical AC buttons. Right in the center we have nice wood trim piece surrounding everything with really nice design to it. It has two cup holder on the right side of the leather, wrap, shifter, and then some buttons on the left side. Just pulling the shifter, we can go into drive, neutral, and reverse. Over into manual mode with P on the top. We can directly go into park. On the left side of the shifter, we have traction control, engine start stop button. But further there's ice mode and sport mode. Just behind that we have electronic parking brake and then some dials for the center screen. You have back button and home button with two rotary dial. Upper dial control radio volume, and the one on the bottom will allow you to explore infotainment screen. Just behind that you have little storage pocket with wood finish trim. And in the center console does have the split design down the middle, and pushing the button on the top will sides open up to both sides. You have two more cup holder along with 12-volt charging spot, and close this individually, and this lid closes individually. You have split section in glove box. Now it's time for rear seating, and the door panel finished off just like a more of the red stitching and the grey stitching running in the black leather, along with more of wood trim and brushed aluminum, and little bit of storage space behind speaker. Back here you have bench seat with climate control buttons below AC vents. You have two cup holder in center armrest of the back seat with little storage space. We have good visibility through black glasses. The back seat also has 60/40 split to them, so you just pull on the button and we can fold the seat down. You have 17 cubic feet of storage space. Now moving on to the next generation of Ghibli. This is new 2021 Ghibli Hybrid. It has sleek design to it. The 2021 restyled signature grille bearing the iconic Maserati trident clearly states your daring character. The Q4 intelligent all-wheel drive system of the Ghibli SQ4 keeps the performance and the comfort at their engaging, inspirational best even when the weather and the road condition are far off from ideal. And sophisticated algorithm developed by Maserati continuously monitors dynamic inputs such as wheel speed, steering, and yaw angle, and even wheel grip versus driving style. Processing all the data, the Q4 system instantaneously establishes a dedicated grip profile for each individual wheel. This ensures optimum dynamic for given road condition at any time. The full LED adaptive matrix headlamp accentuates the distinctive Maserati look while significantly improving visibility and lower energy uses. With 15 LEDs operating at full beam, this headlamp offers 200% greater field of vision than traditional headlamp. Dramatically dark with spotted customized inside and out. Both the Nerismo package and Nerismo carbon package are designed to give Maserati a more sedative, intimidating, and aggressive look. Dynamically sculpted curves and gracefully flowing lines, a striking coupe look makes it more impossible to go unnoticed. Being in total control has never been so attractive. Equipped with intelligent all-wheel drive system, the Ghibli in the SQ4 version ensure even greater handling whatever the weather. Lightweight construction and intelligent system are the key to the inimitable pleasure of the Grand Touring. This is demonstrated by the rigid and secure steel cell using an array of steel and aluminum alloys. This configuration maximizes strength, minimizes weight, and retains the perfect 50-50% weight distribution. Maserati genuine accessories offer the perfect combination of exclusive design and exceptional functionality. The attention to detail, style, and quality of each accessories reveal the very essence of the Maserati brand. The range includes exclusive wheels, rims, and tire, transport and luggage solution, protection and car feature and safety equipment. The standard keyless entry functional enables to you open the door or boot via the handles without touching the key fob. Soft close doors securely, effortlessly and noiselessly closes door. Uh, Door left side slightly agile, the increasing the car safety and comfort, particularly for children in the back seat. From the chassis to the balanced weight distribution through the skyhook suspension, the Brembo dual cast brakes and its aerodynamic body, everything is engineered for your fun and comfort. An array of wheels rim allow each owner to add a personal touch to the vehicle. The Maserati range of boldly sculpted wheels rim emphasizes the vehicle's speed, power and style brilliantly. Maserati continues its collaboration with Brembo, the global leader in the design and production of the braking system. Maserati brake caliper add a substantial touch of style to your car with their metallic color flashing from behind the wheels rim. Nothing can compete with a Maserati engine note. You would listen back to it over and over just like you do with your favorite song. Because all the things that strike a chord are driven by passion, and passion is undoubtedly behind the unmistakable sound of Maserati that sends shivers down your spine. Release and close the trunk with a foot movement in the area under the rear bumper. Sensor will detect your foot movement all along the underneath the central portion of the rear bumper. This system will only operate when the key fob is within 3 foot of range. Inspired by Giugiaro paint Maserati 320 GT Boomerang red LED rear lights that pioneered the use of LED in the industry. The new Maserati 21 tail lights are a delight for your inevitable follower to admire. High capacity power you expect from Maserati comes from a choice of turbocharged V6 engine or a brand new hybrid propulsion. In addition, class-leading 3-liter V6 gas and diesel engine, and all-new 4-cylinder 2-liter engine, and with 48-volt hybrid system is now available. All powertrain offer everything you would expect of Maserati: massive power, snarling responses, effortless long-distance refinement, and impressive efficiency. This is beautifully designed dashboard of a Ghibli. Redesigned instrument cluster and a new 10.1-inch frameless HD screen make your Ghibli MY21 driving experience even more initiative and engaging. So Maserati made a safety a top priority when designing a Ghibli. The result is high power luxury with 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating. The Ghibli is also equipped with comprehensive range of level 2 advanced driving assistance system, including the new traffic jam assist for greater peace of mind whether you are in exclusive grand tour or dash through the city. The highway assist system allows you to feel safer while driving on the highway by mean a radar located on the front grille and forward facing camera. This system keeps the vehicle in the center of the lane while maintaining the desired speed and chosen distance from the vehicle in the front. Mia, that is Maserati Intelligent Assistant, powered by Android Automotive OS. The new generation Mia offers an innovative and personalized user experience. The frameless 10.1 HD touchscreen with a ratio of 16:10 carries a new graphic interface. This displays an elegant curved glass edge and first automotive design of its kind. So thanks to Maserati Connect, not only one can always keep an eye on your car health, but you will also have the latest map and traffic information in real time and much more in the addition. Change your smartphone battery simply by placing it on a dedicated area. The new wireless charger also offers the possibility to mirror apps and information on the infotainment screen. The sophisticated ZF 8-speed automatic transmission in the Maserati Ghibli puts its engine power under your complete control. Its advanced design ensures precise gear change and optimum performance. Thanks to our auto adaptive software. The transmission modifies its shift pattern according to driving style for an even more rewarding one to driving experience. And when it comes to long high speed journey, the last two gears 7th and 8th are specially calibrated to reduce fuel consumption and further increase comfort. The Ghibli is equipped with intelligent sensor paired with signal analysis system that calculate the external pollution level and prevent polluted air and toxic gases from entering the cabin, improving the comfort of everyone on board. Two unparalleled sound system will provide an incredible audio experience when you are on the road. As a result of countless hours of testing and extensive research, both the Harman Kardon and Bowers and Wilkins sound system are designed around the shape and the characteristics of each Maserati. Ghibli is equipped with a comprehensive range of level 2 ADAS, the highest level of autonomous driving currently permitted. It means even greater peace of mind in a variety of traffic conditions. Exclusively engineered for the Ghibli model, at its core is a state-of-art 900-watt amplifier that delivers rich and detailed sound quality, whatever the source. At least 12 independent channels for superb balance, a special high-performance subwoofer for low in frequency, along with mid-range driver and tweeters ensure that every instrument and every artist can appreciate it in full. 10K full distributed high powerful speaker guarantees sublime sound on all on airboard. The last word in the sound perfection. 15 speaker with mid-range driver and a rear woofer made from armored fiber has been strategically built into the car architecture, while 1280 watt amplifier ensures immersive sound for all on board everyone. Advanced aluminum Twitter capture the fantastic Twitter captures the faintest audio subtitles, while the rock solid bass is delivered by Rockwell. A stiff, high resilient material often used in the construction of rocket and aircraft. Use the built-in USB connector or stream directly either via Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. For maximum pleasure the involvement when you are driving your Maserati, you have 5 different driving mode: auto, normal, auto sport, manual, normal, manual sport, and increased control and efficiency IC. In addition to that, there are specific modes of road driving mode available with Levante. The Corsa mode is also available with Levante Turbo only. Need to safely store ski or snowboard bag. The 60-40 split folding rear seat provide cargo carrying versatility. When the seat on smaller side is completely folded down, you will have continuously nearly flat extension of the load floor in order to accommodate large size equipment and object. Maserati can be fitted with electrical sunroof in a tinted safely glass with a manual sunset. The sunroof is power controlled and it can be tilted at the rear or opened completely. In the latter case, if retract into the roof of the car and front flap rises automatically to deviate the airflow. Open the door of Maserati Ghibli and a combination of elegant Italian design style, the finest material like natural silk, upholstery by Emigliano Zenga, and handcrafted finishes will arouse all your senses.